In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can turn off post notifications. We all know how annoying post notifications can get, so I just want to show you how you can turn them off. So once you've launched Instagram, you want to go ahead and tap on your profile icon at the bottom right. Then you want to tap on the three stripes at the top right. Then you want to tap on settings, and then under follow and invite friends, it says notifications. Tap on notifications. And now you have a couple of options. One of them is pause all. Now if I toggle that on, you can see I can pause all my notifications for up to 8 hours. But you don't want to have to do this every 8 hours. So you can exit out of this and then go into each one of these settings and then turn them off manually. And then you would go back, go to the next one and then turn them off. And then you won't have any notifications. So that is how you turn off your notifications. If you got some value out of this video, then I would appreciate it if you smash that like button and consider subscribing, because I'm uploading how-to videos about social media and your favorite apps every single day. So with that being said, I'll see you in my next video.